Pandora is a popular streaming service that offers personalized radio stations based on your music preferences. However, one of the most frustrating issues that Pandora users often face is the app constantly stopping in the middle of a song. This can quickly put a damper on your listening experience, especially if you are in the middle of a workout or a long drive. In this video, we'll go over some of the most effective situations to fix the problem of Pandora Keeps Stopping. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao and let's start the video. Number 1. Update the app. The first solution to try is to update the Pandora app. An outdated app can sometimes cause the issue with playback, and updating it can often fix the problem. To update the app on your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and look for the Pandora app. If there is an update available, click on Update to install it. If you are using Pandora on your computer, you have the latest version of the app installed. If updating the app doesn't work, the next step is to clear the cache. A cache is a temporary storage area where the app stores data to help it to load faster. However, if the cache becomes corrupted, it can cause issues with the app's performance. To clear the cache on your phone, go to the app settings and look for the storage option. Click on Clear Cache to select the cache on your app. If you are using Pandora on your computer, clear the cache and cookies from your browser settings. Number 3. Check your internet connection. Poor network connectivity can sometimes cause issues with playback in Pandora. Make sure that you are connected to a strong and stable network. Number 4. Disable battery optimization. If you are using Pandora on an Android phone, battery optimization settings can sometimes interfere with the app's performance. To disable battery optimization for Pandora, go to the phone settings and look for the battery option. From there, find the Pandora app and turn off battery optimization. Number 5. Reinstall the app. If none of the solutions work, the last step is to reinstall the app. This will completely remove the app from your phone or computer and install a fresh version. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.